So this question says, which of the following method can be used to obtain pure water from a mixture of sand, water, and methanoic acid? Right? So we have a mixture that contains sand and water and methanoic acid. So how do we obtain pure water from this? If we are going to get pure water, the separation technique that should come to our mind should be distillation. So distillation is the process of obtaining pure water. That is why you hear of distilled water. Now let's see the options. Option A says neutralization with NaOH followed by filtration. What happens when we neutralize the mixture with NaOH? The component of the mixture that can react with NaOH is methanoic acid, and this is going to give us sodium methanoate and water. So in the end, we have sodium methanoate and water and sand. So it says neutralization with NaOH followed by filtration. This is going to be wrong because you cannot obtain pure water from this. Why? Because sodium ethanoate is a little soluble in water. So when you filter, we are going to have a little sodium ethanoate contained in the filtrate. And in so doing, we cannot have pure water. So option A is wrong. Option B says neutralization with NaOH followed by distillation. I'm going to go with this option because we are going to have sodium ethanoate and water and sand, and water can be distilled off. So this option will be the most correct option, or is more correct than option A. Option C says fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is going to be incorrect because fractional distillation is used to separate many components that are mixable and they have different boiling points. So option C is wrong. Option D says filtration followed by distillation. Now, option D is a little tempting because we have filtration followed by distillation. If we filter first, the sand is going to be removed. Then our filtrate is going to be just water and methanoic acid. And it looks as if you can use distillation to separate these two mixtures. But this is not going to be possible because the boiling point of methanoic acid and that of water is very close. In fact, they are the same. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of methanoic acid is 100 degrees Celsius. So because they have the same boiling point, we cannot do distillation after filtration because distillation is going to be used to separate two mixtures that have different boiling points, two miscible mixtures that have different boiling points. So the most correct option is B, neutralization with NaOH followed by distillation.